we're going to match number to quantity. There's a couple different ways that we can do this. I happen to have in my house a puzzle that has numbers and an object, picture, and then they match them up and it looks like that and it matches number to quantity. You don't have to have this. So this is one way of doing things. You certainly can just go ahead and print numbers or even write numbers and have them match them to objects. Like if I put out my famous Legos that are here and I put out 5 Legos on the floor, then I would want him to find the number 5 that I've either written or I've given him a card or something like that to match to that. So there's a couple different ways that we can do that. So I'm going to do the puzzle just for these purposes. Okay, first we start with Ethan picking what he wants for his reinforcer. Buddy, what do you want? He picked the book this time, so I'm going to put the book up here as what he's working for. He did a great job of picking his reinforcer and keeping his hands to himself, so he's going to get a check for that. And then I'm going to give him a couple different numbers. And first, I'm going to say, Ethan, point to 1. Oh, E, let's try that again. Point to 1. Good job, E, you pointed to 1. Okay. Now I'm going to give him some cards, and I want him to find the 1. Way to go, E, you found it. Okay, he gets a check. Now I'm going to say, E, point to 2. And I'm going to give him some cards. I'm going to switch them up so that they're not all in the same order. And he found it. Great job, Ethan. Way to go, buddy. And now he gets to read his book. And I would give him about a minute to read his book. Maybe longer, kind of depends on what's going on. If I'm moving from one activity to the next, I don't usually give more than about a minute. But if it's towards the end of our time that we're working together, then I might give them a lot longer time to work, to enjoy the reinforcement that they picked.